Okay, right now we're going to convert from degrees to radians, and then we'll convert from radians to degrees. Um, so let's suppose they tell me, could you please convert 10 degrees to radians? So when you want radians, you want it to be pi. The conversion is, you're going to really multiply these by pi over 180. When you do degrees, it'll be the other way around, and you do 180 over pi. Why do we do it this way? Because pi is an equivalent, pi radians is equivalent to 180 degrees. So all you do is you take your degree measure, and I'm just going to multiply it by pi over 180. Okay, you could, if you'd like, make that into a fraction too, and then you just multiply straight across. So I'm just going to say, well, then that would be 10 pi over 180. If you'll notice, the zeros cancel, so it comes out to just be pi over 18. And that's your answer. 10 degrees is pi over 18 in radians. So let's now go from radians to degrees. So suppose they give you pi over 12, and they say, can you please convert that to degree measures? Well, I'm just going to multiply it by 180 over pi. So I'd go times 180 over pi. Notice if I want to go 2 degrees, I put the degrees on top. The same way when I wanted radians, I put the pi on top. Because when you're doing unit circle measures of radians, they always have pi in them. So in this case here, the pi's cancel, so I just get 180 divided by 12. So perhaps this is going to reduce. I think 6 goes into both of these. 6 goes into 18. I'm just looking to see if I can reduce this fraction. That's the only thing I have to do. So 6 goes into 18 3 times. 6 goes into 0, 0. 6 goes into 12 2 times. And so it looks like I could have even done it more. And 30 divided by 2 is just 15, so this is 15 degrees. So probably 12 actually went into that evenly too. But anyway, you just reduce the fraction, and I get pi over 12 in degrees, it would be 15 degrees. Pi over 12 radians would be equivalent to 15 degrees.